Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to do a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, to do a screenshot we would need to click on these two buttons for only 1 second, because if we hold it longer you will open the power menu. So let's try to take a screenshot of our homepage. And as you can see, the screenshot was successful. For example, let's try screenshot this application. Like this. And now if we scroll lower and open gallery, right here you can see the screenshot that you just did. If you wanna delete them or send them to your phone, just simply open the screenshot and hold it. After this, you can delete it or send it to your phone. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.